All right, what's going on, guys? I want to give you an inside look of my course called Churches, Crosses, and Chevron. This is basically a course that's showing you how to paint churches, crosses, and chevron using the similar, I wouldn't say similar, but more of a limited palette, which is gray, turquoise, and black and white. So there's a section for crosses, there's a section for churches, and there's a section for chevrons. So at the beginning of the course, you have an introduction of the course, and then once you get started, you can start with the church paintings. And here you have a video. Let me click on that right quick. And here you see a video of me showing you how to paint the church. I have two videos for the church. You have a large church and a small church. And here's the video plans, very clear. You can see the texture, you can see me painting, you see what colors I'm using. Um, Not only about that, but the cool thing is a PDF comes with each video lesson. So with this large church painting tutorial, there's the instructions PDF to go along with it. You have tell you everything what you need to do step by step. So if you get confused on the video, you can just download this PDF and it can tell you what to do step by step, which is pretty cool. And I have that for every video. So let me go to the next one. You got the small church video, same thing, just a smaller um, church painting. Here I have the colors here for you. And just again, it's a clear, crisp video playing for you, showing you step by step along with the PDF. So there you go. And it gives you the objective, the materials, the colors that you need to make that painting. And you go to the next section, you have the chevron flower. Again, I'm not going to go through all of it, but just again, you can kind of see the large chevron painting tutorial. Then you have the PDF with it. Then you have the small chevron painting. Chevron is the chevron patterns along with the flowers. So it's basically two flower paintings. So here's another one I did with sunflowers. So you got the chevron pattern down here, the gray muted background. There you see me painting with a palette knife and just showing you step by step. Again, you have the PDF to go along with it, which I think is pretty cool. So again, if it gets a little confusing or if you want to try it without the video, you have everything you need from the materials you need, the size of the canvas, the brushes, the sponge brush, the colors, Mars black, titanium white, turquoise, and burnt umber. So it's pretty cool. A lot of people have taken this course and said it has been very helpful. I've had people who take my course and have sold some of their paintings. So this course is very, very helpful if you're trying to paint this type of style of painting. I live in Alabama, so it's kind of a southern style, a southern theme that's going on within, say, Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, Louisiana, all those areas. A lot of people like to have these colors in their home. So again, they sell well. I can't tell you how many people who have taken my course said they sold their paintings after taking my video course. So they sell well. It will do well, especially if you're in this area. But I wouldn't say if you live outside, say on the West Coast or in a whole other country, because I do have people who watch my videos from other countries that you shouldn't try it. I'm just giving you an idea where it does well, whether if you're trying to sell it. So again, PDFs. Here's the cross. You got the cross painting. Got the small cross video, PDF for the large cross. I'm kind of going backwards now, but that's okay. You get the point. Large cross painting tutorial, and that's it. That's pretty much the course. You have 6 lessons total, and then 6 PDFs to go along with it. And again, if you have any questions after you take the course, I am open to help. You can email me, or we can do a Skype call. So I enjoy painting with a palette knife. I love texture. I love color. And I know this course will be very beneficial to you. So again, let me know if you have any questions. Click on the link below. It takes you right to this course, and you can start on this course today. You can make your first painting today. All right. Talk to you guys later. Peace.